Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today, I am finally going to be sitting down and reviewing and comparing Bath & Body Works' new one for Halloween, Ghoul Friend. Yes, Ghoul Friend. Y'all, can you tell I've been wearing her? Look at that, look at that. Ghoul Friend, look at this packaging, y'all. Like, damn. I am loving the pink. Pink is my signature color. Speaking of pink, of course, today's lip is by me. I'm actually bringing a combo today of both Pink Palm and Mermaid Tears. Both are still available over at Banger Beauty by Mary. Pink Palm smells like dragon fruit lemonade. And the Mermaid Tears smells like salted caramel. But on your lips, I ain't really getting anything from it, but the color is fire, baby, fire. These are, like I said, these are still available. I am not restocking them again. Once these are gone, these are gone. I have a ton of new stuff coming for August, September, October, November, December. So your girl has been busy. Yeah, so make sure you get over Banger Beauty by Mary. Snatch those up while you can, and let's hop into this video. All right, Ghoul Friend. Y'all, I was a little nervous because last year, they had Ghoul Friend in the mini, in the Shimmer Mist. Come on, focus, damn it, do your job. Yes, in the mini, okay, in the Shimmer Mist, which I do love this spray. I've been layering both of these lately. However, the Shimmer Mist last year kind of smelled like the candle, kind of smelled like Ghoul Friend. It was not very strong. It was kind of on the lighter side. So when this came out, I was nervous. Nervous ain't even the word. Scent notes are dark strawberries, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. And y'all, I was definitely impressed. Like, shook even. Because I love Candy Apple Cauldron, and I'm thinking, oh God, they probably done jacked up Ghoul Friend. But no, girl's all right. She more than all right. Honey's on fire, fire, fire. Yeah, y'all, I'm going to say, the first thing you get when you spray this is a beautiful, vibrant, candied strawberry. It reminds me of those little candies that the grandmas would have in their purses. The wrapper actually looks like a strawberry, and the top of the wrapper is green, looking like the leaves of a strawberry. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That is what I initially get from this. I love it, and it's strong. Now, I will say I do not have the body cream in this yet, and I stress the yet part because I definitely want it. The spray, though, I want to say the spray gave me about 3 hours of wear, but I have a feeling with that body cream, this baby could probably go 5 hours. So I'm very excited about that. Now, as it dies down, though, you do get a little more of that citrus that's in there. A little bit more of that peony comes through. This is not a floral scent, though, by any means. The strawberry is still there, but it's not as strong or as bright as when you first spray it once it dies down. Now, like I said, I'm dying to see if the cream has a heavier strawberry note, because Candy Apple Cauldron, the cream has a heavier apple note. So I am absolutely shook with how well they actually did her. Yeah, I do wish, I will say my only complaint is I wish that real vibrant, bright, candied type of strawberry note that you get in the initial spray lasted a lot longer. But overall, I'm still very impressed with this scent. I'm glad they did her so well. I'm kind of scared what next year's release is going to look like because we all know how they do re-releases, y'all. So if you really like this and Candy Apple Cauldron too, I suggest you get a backup or two, sis. Oh yes, oh yes. Now, I have two comparisons because there are two that I keep seeing pop up all over frackin' social media. Primarily TikTok and Instagram, although I have seen a lot of comparisons here on YouTube as well, but some of them are so like off the wall that I'm like, no. Like, there was one that had stated, I saw on YouTube, where they were saying that Ghoul Friend was an exact dupe of Mad About You, and I'm like, the hell are they smoking over there? And can I have some? Yeah, so, the kitties were going crazy, and your kitties were going crazy. All right, but the two I'm seeing the most, the first one is Gingham Love. Yep, Gingham Love. I love this scent. We only saw her once. Scent notes are sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. Pay attention to that last note, rose meringue. I do like this scent a lot. But the predominant notes in here are red berries. You do get a little bit of freesia, but you also get that rose. You definitely pick up notes of freesia and rose, at least to my sniffer. Now, honey, correct me if I'm wrong, but there ain't no damn freesia or rose in this scent. So how, no. I mean, the berries in here don't even smell like a strawberry. It's more like a blackberry, raspberry, yeah, it's even almost like a little bit of a cherry, tiny bit like those, like a mixed berry. This is strawberry, sis. Hell yeah. I'm glad it is. I'm going to spray some more. I really like that initial burst of strawberry gets me every time. The other one, I saw it being compared to over and over and over and over and over again, beating it to death. Y'all, a lot of people out there are saying Gingham Gorgeous. Yep, Gingham Gorgeous. Come on, focus, girl, focus. Yeah, Gingham Gorgeous. Scent notes are pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. Now, yes, there's strawberry and peony in here. Let's sniff. No, I'm sorry, no. The strawberry that I get in here is more of an authentic strawberry note, but you also pick up peach. And in fact, I believe I stated in my re-release of Gingham Gorgeous, I felt as if the peach was a lot heavier this year. So Gingham Gorgeous of this year's version, compared to this, no. Even the original version, no. This is much more candied sweet, especially in the beginning. Even the dry down, yes, there's peony in here and strawberry, and yes, there's peony and strawberry in here. That does not mean they smell the same. I feel like I see this over and over and over and over again on YouTube or any social media for that matter. That when I feel like a lot of people see the same notes and they therefore just say that it smells just like it. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. You're going to get me riled up today, y'all. Quit it. No, the strawberry that's in here is more of a fresher strawberry. There's a definite heavy peach note in here, whereas this does not have that. This is, again, candied strawberry, and as it dries down, you do get a little bit of that citrus, a teeny bit of peony, but you still can smell the strawberry. There ain't no citrus in here either. Peach is not citrus, dear. Yeah, no. No, these are very different, y'all. So if you see somebody saying that these smell alike, tell them I said they're full of shit. Tell them I said their sniffers busted. No, don't be mean to your friends, y'all. Don't be mean to your friends. Everybody's sniffer is different. I will say that. Some of them sometimes I'm like. But honey, you love what you love at the end of the day. That's all that matters, right? I hope a lot of people out there do remember that a lot of this is satire for me. I get a good kick out of it. I'm really not hating or throwing shade on people who smell things differently. We all are different. So I just like to have a giggle and a chuckle while doing it. So yeah. But that is my thoughts and review and comparison on Ghoul Friend. What did you think? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some pink palm and some mermaid tears. My mermaid tears, like I'm almost out, y'all. Look. Like, there is like nothing left in there, just a tiny bit at the bottom. So I might have to snag one of those ones that are still left on the site and take it for myself. Yes, yes, yes. I should have done that with Tropic Flame, because that sucker sold out so many times it was ridiculous, and I only got the little bit left. But at any rate, I digress. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary, and we're at my favorite part. You ready? Ready, ready, ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you learn every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.